GORVIA products, more than it shows.
Hello guys, now show you GORVIA Wood glue. It uses water as the dispersion medium for emulsion polymerization. There are multiple packaging methods. This kind of bottle, just open it and use it. For the small bottle, rotate to open. First remember to clean the base surface. Then apply the wood glue. Tasteless, non-toxic and environmentally friendly white liquid. No pungent smell. Note, the bonding surfaces must be tightly connected together. Stationary and fixed. No need to worry about glue overflow. Transparent after curing. According to the contact area, apply glue appropriately. As you can see, it can be glued instantly. The surface is expected to dry in 2 hours, curing after 24 hours. The strongest bonding strength after 7 days. After 4 hours. The bonding strength is very good. As you can see, the wood glue will become transparent after curing. The aesthetics is very good. Next time we'll show you nano tape.